Hello, and welcome to another How-To with HASS. Today we're going to go over how to use the optimization feature in HASS 2021. Start by entering your calculation, then go to the HASS Automation tab. From there, select Optimize. You will be able to save the optimized file as a different name or keep it the same. The optimization dialog box will appear. From here, you can set how you want your system to be optimized. Once the system is optimized, your optimization results will appear. If a pipe is changed, you will see it in the far right-hand column. You will also be able to see your old pipe diameter and your new pipe diameter. You will be able to see your initial system available pressure compared to your required pressure and the safety margin. Then you will be able to see your new system available pressure compared to the required, along with the safety factor. To see your actual calculations, click the next arrow. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button below. Also consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use HASS. For more information about HRS systems, you can go to our website, hrssystems.com, and follow us on the social media channels.